Welcome to you all. Today we are going to show you how to do a birthday backdrop. Today I have selected Dora theme for the age of 10 of Tara, our friend of Sai. So now we'll see. I have drawn a picture of Dora in a cardboard box, the cardboard. Then I'm painting it, the face and each and every details of the Dora. And after painting it, I'm going to attach that in the cake board white color one, a circle one, and I'm going to put a gold glitter sheet, the letters Dora, D-O-R-A, in the middle. So now I'm going to fix the carpet here, the green color carpet, to the backdrop. So we don't have a backdrop stand here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the curtain bar. So aluminium curtain bar, I'm taking that a chance to clip the backdrop screen. So we'll see how it's going to work. So this is the first time I'm doing without the backdrop stand. This is a sudden request came to do this birthday decoration last night. So I have no option, so I have to go with minimum items to do this decoration because I don't have proper time to prepare for it. So with the minimum item I'm going to do this. So I'm clipping this backdrop grass carpet in the aluminium curtain bar with the help of the Bulldog's clips. So I have used it here 4 to 5 clips, like basically used 4 clips. So after that we are going to fix the rest of the items. So I'm checking whether is center, middle, that we have fixed the backdrop or not. So we'll see the alignment. Based off that we are going to continue the further decoration. So now I'm going to do, this is the backdrop centerpiece that I made, that I showed you before, that I'm painting Dora image. So this is I made it with the cake board with a circle one, a white color. So middle of that I placed that cardboard painted Dora image, and I have used the glitter sticker sheet to cut the letters, the name Dora. So I'm going to fix that with the help of the little bit iron clip kind of a thing. So I have pasted floral wire behind the board, and I fixed it with that in the middle of the carpet. Now I'm taking a magenta color net material and I clipped it with the help of the Bulldog clip, and I'm going to use a zip tight for this to tag the center point of this magenta color curtain. So let me show you that this is the zip tight that I'm going to use it to tag it. So I'm taking together in the middle, I'm going to tag this. So the zip tight is invisible, that you can use it, and once you tied the zip tight you can't remove it again, so you have to use it properly, otherwise you have to use the new zip tight tags. Because of that we have to set the curtain properly, then we have to tag it with the zip tight. After that I'm going to cover the zip tight tape with the gold color ribbon to make it little bit glory. So I'm going to use the gold color ribbon to cover the zip tight tape. It's actually optional, but I thought giving a gold touch will be nice for this curtain, so because of that I'm going to do it. So adjust the curtain properly and tack a bow gold color ribbon with the help of the gold color ribbon. So nicely make it as a bow in a gold color ribbon, because I felt green color with the magenta curtain, it will be nice, the gold color ribbon that I use. So now I'm going to use the double tape to fix the paper fan flowers. So we are going to double tape the paper fan flowers in the behind side, and we are going to place it with the carpet in a L shape kind of a thing in the right corner. Sorry, it's actually for you all, it's left corner. So the left corner I'm going to make it as a L shape, the flowers to fix in the carpet with the help of the double tape. So after that we thought of fill the gap with some balloons. So I have used some balloons, purple and the pink color and gold color touch to give it for the Dora theme look. So this balloon garland we are going to fix in top of the wooden bar of this curtain bar, because that there is a center point. It shows ugly, the bars are joined together, so because of that we thought of fill that part with the balloon. So I'm going to fix the balloon garland in the middle. So I have selected gold, pink and the purple color, which is match our backdrop, and in the meantime it's more towards to Dora theme. Because of that we select that color. So we tie that both the sides and the middle part to make it strong. So this is, I tag it with the wooden bar, not the aluminium curtain bar. This is the wooden bar I am tagging this. So this is the other side of it, that we are tagging the balloon garland to the next corner, and middle also I gave a support that I tie with a twine in the middle part to make it a straight line kind of a balloon garland. Now we have put some lace tablecloth for the table. So here they have selected the round table, so we have taken their own table, and I took my another wooden box which is give little bit of rusty look, so I took that of mine and I have used their own round table that they prefer that. So we have put a white color lace cloth for the table, and we have put some leaf in the middle with some flowers, and as usual I kept a kettle with sunflower, and we kept a school bag, and we kept a Dora doll to give more elegant, and also we put the curtain both the side, and we have put happy birthday banner also, as the kids preferred, they want a happy birthday banner, so we put that also. So this is how the entire decoration came out. So hope you like this video. So we have done this with minimal cost, and we have mostly used the homemade items, which is anyway they are at home, so there is no much expenses that we have done. So already I had this backdrop carpets and everything with me, so with that help I have done this decoration with minimal items in a better manner with the short notice. Actually if they have told me beforehand, then I would have been done further more with this in detail Dora theme to bring up, but with the short notice this is we have done it. Hope you like it. If you like, please like and subscribe my video.